Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect mouse to SignalRGB. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your SignalRGB is updated to the latest version, and from there you then want to head over to the application. Inside, click on the device, and basically you can then see all of your device inside the application. Now, in order for your device to be connected, just make sure that you're using a Bluetooth connection for your mouse or a wired connection, and basically from there, it will automatically connect to our application right here. Now, unfortunately, if not, this means that your device isn't fully supported yet. So you can just click on the missing a device request for it to be added here. And basically, you can then go ahead and list your mouse on this page. Now, this is, as of the moment, all of the available mouses out there. So you can just go ahead and make sure that your mouse is supported on the application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.